su talahi do awe no sara ba hi swene lo no talo phele to le ba me erote talo phele to le no but de wera physical talo ti to pha ne lo okay Jesus has to pay the tax for himself and the disciple um maybe someone believes or someone don't believe. Here I want to tell you about the Matthew chapter 17 in there. Okay, Jesus, here's the temple tax Jesus has to pay. After Jesus and his disciple arrived in the Capernaum, this place is Capernaum. Okay, the culture of the two. Okay, draftsman task come to Peter and asked, "Doesn't your teacher pay the tax? Pay the temple tax? When you go into the temple, you should be pay the temple tax." Okay. Let us go down on kasai su no pane apply what if I has su oh no but mala has su no deba wera tight clothing power no they were tight clothing power penny no but mala pa kia no pala akhi twe kia hevra su so petru o do de tikwa wera no no dera la tu nakasa hi talhi atwesiko no 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 penny so petru system yes no yes he does no but mala so petru yes he does no sita ne aware he will no he replied no where replying again no where he not did no let them go penny there are one Peter came into the house Jesus was the first to speak no pair so petru le he bukhane no aware Pakato Sura Nemira Kasa Krila, Cream. Now, Pijama Kasa Yisu, no Akatura. No, Terra, why do you think Simon? No, Nasukomo de le so Simon, Nasukomo de le so Simon, he asks. Now, with the Quavaramano, Nasukomo de le so Simon. Now, from who do the kings of the earth call us Judy and tell? No, Terra la Medena. Hewasu Bagdana Mala Pamara Lesopa Sopa La Bakopo Bakopo Tirpa La Amuada La Aweba Hiva no from their own son or from other no Mela Apokwa mean mera from other okay from other let us go to Tikwa no awemba hi will anogasa mid me la hippocopo I mean me or a lupoca no error no penny debra so to sister from other no from other me the accept the check collector is for other no not for their son is for free only just for other no let us go to a Peter answer then the son is accept Jesus said to him now let us go to a pokwadel pane bata to loro let us go to no kasai suteba with the no pass so that we may not offend them no we may not offend them sidane petalot poketema trust with the no ba hilomano go to the lake and throw of your life no lele poketema lele no pumano ulane quilo na samano quilo na tapotali no take the first fish you catch no hine asugata take the first fish sidane hine asugata na peterma nyarbi no hine sugata nyarbi no open the mouth open its mouth and you will find a four drummer corn take it and give it to them for my text and your text okay when a medal kasai suma levera do hilowera no hilowera do pretend mala no for you and for me okay you have to pay for tax and the temple tax this means when we go to the temple we should give the tax okay You know this? This is Jesus' responsibility by himself. Okay, because every person had to be respond uh, by their personal. Okay. Lutano kura pakra sukumula lapatamu puni no palele pero we want to go to church, we want to go free, that's okay. You can go free. We go to church mean we go inside, we pay offering and then we listen to gospel, no, padukana yakluta, no, we come back house, no. After that, we come back house. Now we learn back is suhi. Later, no kutara patiba you should think about it. Okay, you should think about it. This is an offering to God, and then for for every person. Okay, for every person, like every person can go to church because we build church at the people in the church. We have pastor. Okay, we have the church member, but the building church is not easy. Okay, we have to uh, respond by yourself. Okay, government not spotting. Okay, government not spotting. This means we should think about it. Okay, we should think about it. We have to try by yourself. Okay. Kita nak kota apa kerja tu pasal kalau terone pelesu terone pagaba himu hidala terota kota litir patah letak kita mati pak. Kalau kesel, bulan pakai hewera, do pakai dukanata, do pakai mata tapi tak mati pala. Pekerja tu pasal letak kita kulitir pas sekolah, no. Pekerja suka modal peta umupu, no. Dia tu pakai madile, dia tu pakai ledile, umu kan dia lana. Kota moya suki gluta. No sweet worko kade no letan ko patiba la pane no le mate sedo the sin nui asabo kisi lui tule pagete no mala tule akte no kisi lui tule akte no sita na pain ne patiba la tuba kisi nui no agara pane tilo no o tuba kisi nui no yitile o tuba kisi no ke pakro patu pata takiti paila no awone ka sai shu no ka sara we hi we takota temo no pakro patu pata. Hi, okay. Thank you so much to watching. Okay, you have to remember about the Jesus himself give the temple test. Okay, Jesus is doing everything the good thing. Okay, you cannot offend any person. Okay, you cannot offend. Okay, thank you. I want to make another thing to read the Bible. Next step. Not right now. Yes. Okay. I'm come back later. Okay. Bye bye.